Sudden meeting in a phone box. Your smile was bright during our small talks. I caught you by surprise with a little trick. Don't ask how I made this flower appear so quick. Your smile in that moment felt so true. Suddenly my heart was opening to you. You invited me to the cafe where you work. Just the third girl to leave my heart in a jerk. I rushed to the address you gave me, my lady boo. I surprised you again, arriving way before you. You offered me coffee, it was so bitter. Tasted like trash or some backyard litter. I saw all the textbooks there on your table. You swore you could teach me, though I felt unable. Baby, bomb, just blow my mind and blow my head. Baby, bomb, let's carry on, don't move on to the day. Baby, bomb, don't pull that pin from your neck. I'll wait in the cafe, begging you. Walking through the halls, I was excited to follow. You showed me a view where the truth felt so hollow. In the pool, you persuaded me to learn how to swim. Lady Boo, you were divine, better than any dream. After all that awkward stuff, we were locked in a school. I was dazed and confused by what happened in the pool. Later, when the rain calmed down, we headed to the festival. But when I refused your offer, you decided to take it all. Baby, why does everyone want my heart? Am I that unattractive? I know I'm not very smart, but I'm sorry. Lady Boo, I'd fight, but I can't kill you. Even if the things you said were never, ever true. Baby, bomb, just blow my mind and blow my head. Baby, bomb, let's carry on, don't move on to the day. Baby, bomb, don't pull that pin from your neck. I'll wait in the cafe, begging you to come back. Begging you to come back. Baby, bomb, just blow my mind and blow my head. Baby, bomb, let's carry on, don't move on to the day. Baby, bomb, don't pull that pin from your neck. I'll wait in the cafe, begging you to come back. I'm still at the station with flowers in my hand, waiting for a girl from a far off land. The train is leaving and the sky is blue. I'm still in love with a bomb. Lady Boo.